happy Wednesday. We are officially at past the halfway mark now of the course, which is very exciting. We only have a couple more days. Good work on everything you've done so far. I know yesterday there was quite a few different tasks to complete, and you all did an awesome job. You should be getting your grades back for everything either today or tomorrow. With that, I'm just going to jump in for the task for today, and then I'll let you get working. So as always, the task for today is going to take you to a module with your lesson for today, which this module looks something like this. We have a Minds On, we have lots of reading. It's talking about sort of the different, main idea is looking at the different political parties in Canada, which you're going to learn all about. What does left wing mean? What does right wing mean? That sort of stuff. And then down at the bottom, you have your task for today. So your task is doing a little bit of deep dive into the major political parties in Canada. So we have the Conservative Party, the Green Party, the Liberal Party, and the New Democratic Party. There's lots of other little ones, which I think we bring down, it's mentioned down here. Not little, I just mean sort of like ones that are represented in governments in sort of different ways. So you're welcome to sort of do a little bit of a research into what those political parties are, as well as the independent parties of Canada. For now, I'm just going to use these four as an example, and you're going to go through and download the template, and which will look something like this, and you're going to complete it. So the instructions say that you're going to focus on 4 political issues, and you're going to sort of research where each of the major political parties in Canada stand on these issues. So we know what political issues are because in the lesson yesterday, you looked at the 3 levels of government and did a deep dive into all of the different civic issues that connect to the different levels of government. So your job today is to pick 4 civic issues, and do a research on what sort of each of these political parties think on each of these 4 issues. Okay? So I have the ones listed are the Conservative, the Green, Liberal, and the New Democratic Party. There's also a spot there if you would like to list another one of the parties in Canada. Those ones are a little bit smaller in terms of how they're represented, but you're welcome to pick one of those if one of them interests you a little bit more. Okay, so you only need to do 4, so you're welcome to do these 4 or a fourth of something of your choosing. So just to sort of reiterate, you're going through and you're picking 4 civic issues, and then you're going to use the links from the module, which will take you to the party websites, and you're going to figure out where each of those political parties stand on each of the civic issues. Once you've completed the chart, you're going to click and you're going to submit your work, and that is lesson 6 complete. As always, you're welcome to email me or join my office hours if you have any questions. But that's all from me today. So good luck, everybody.